Oh my gosh, she doesn't know where to step.
Oh, malunggay.
No.
No,
Oh no, it's not steady.
Daddy.
Yes.
Yeah, Dave.
Daddy, that's real.
Okay.
Next time, no problem.
This behind my house, that's my husband. He doesn't know how to climb that hills and go down the hill. Look. Behind the house. This my brother-in-law who live my house. He plants.
Be careful.
He plants. Be careful, or you're gonna be roll like a boom boom. You better go there and oh, God, he's hard-headed. He wants to go down there.
That would be easier. I think.
No, it's not. This okra. My brother-in-law plant okras.
No,
This a bok
there's nowhere to
choice or
hold.
He's
pichais.
gonna lead the way. He's gonna show me.
Daddy, there's
Pichay.
nowhere to hold the fair.
That's my tank, water tank.
I need like sticks, like ski poles.
This is my lansones. My brother plant lansones, but it's not ripe yet. Some of them have fruit already.
Gray sky coming.
Yeah, but it's not ripe yet. It's not ready. This is belongs to
That's a durian over
my
here.
lansones.
Yes. I don't think this is. Be careful, this Rosie. It might be ants
Papaya.
around it.
This bok choy pichay. Calamansi. See, this is lansones, durian. Uy, ay nagtumbi na oh, mustasa, papaya. That's my roof. That's my husband. Oh. Durian. Durian. Papaya. That's Rosie. Hi, Rosie. Dapat na ano, ikuan ni mo na, iiras ni mo. Pag malaki-laki ang kaunti, i-transfer na ni mo yan dyan.
Na-transfer ko na kasi isa, oh.
Sayang, dito sana, blagyan mo pa ng plat.
Ito,
Sus,
mga bagong transfer lang sila eh.
kaya nga. And this is my dirty kitchen, but it's not done yet. I need to stop. It's my sister house. My other sister, I built the small houses to them. And the other there. But to try to fix right now.
That belongs to over there. But
Oh, my brother-in-law. Pichay. Plant. Pichay, mustasa. This is behind my house. Lansones.
that's the church.
Lansones, durian.
You hear them when they hit the roof. If they hit the roof.
Guy down now.
Yeah, I don't see. Oh, maybe over there. Look over on this side.
Ampalaya.
Look at the tiles over here.
Ito yung radish. Lamanus.
Dito, wala man dito.
Are these plants?
Luya.
Yes.
Ah, yun na naman, luya.
Did I step on?
Sinaparit mo sana luya.
I didn't.
You probably won't.
Dito lahat pichay lang sana.
I don't see
Ang
it.
luya dyan sa mga gilid-giliran.
There's no footprints.
Hindi maganda kasi naglalaman yung maganda dyan.
If it's what the package says, it's tomatoes. No.
Sana yung sibuyas dahon mo.
Mom, what plants are these?
Ano ba yan? Kalat man yung ano mo. Dapat sibuyas dahon lahat.
Kalain ba?
Yeah, hindi pwede yan magsama dyan.
Eh, madali ba maano yan eh?
No, kailangan mo yan i-separate talaga ano, sibuyas dahon. Anuhin mo ng dalawang ano yan ng sibuyas dahon.
Or
Ako.
something. I don't know what she did.
Mom, what plant is it? Mom,
Huh?
what plant is it?
It's bok choy. Be careful ha. Be careful. They have a lot of nails there.
What's that, Mom? Mom, there you go.
Where's Dorian? Stop down, God. That's my orchids order. the roof. Kangkong. Malunggay. Ra, unsa man na imong kuan diha, mga rags. Wa man na nimo gikuan. Gihalay.
Ito na buat ni halayan diri oh.
That's a pineapple?
Sa likod ni. Ngit lipat to sa bayan bakit
Mom, there's
dito?
a pineapple?
Well,
There?
yeah, malunggay.
Malunggay.
No. Wala mo gasabaw og malunggay?
Sampo, ikaw.
Yan. Mag-ano na sa paligid. Ruhuran, be careful, okay?
Don't jump.
Well, you're doing it one-handed holding a camera.
There's a lot of answers here.
Slippery,
Why are you sitting?
Rosie, be careful.
From there you can jump, my God.
Don't jump.
No, don't jump. Bye. There you go. Now, your turn, Rosie. That's my dirty kitchen, but it's not done yet.
Oh, be careful ani.
Sanggol si.
Hala, hala.
Ngit,
Na.
bumaba ka nga dyan, Ngit.
Atay.
Hoy, bumaba ka dyan. Kay Squid Game.
Ikaw una, Rot.
Ikaw na, Rob.
Wait, Horan.
Wait, Kuya Dave.
Wala ka sa mas. Lagi ay magana.
Okay lang.
Ay taod lang na.
Display naman ako. Mamaya lang pabukas si Arnold. Baka ka man ipitan pa rin.
Araw-araw gawin.
Araw gabi.
At kung malayo ka.
Ano mo, araw gabi?
Lumayo ka sa akin.
Ating pangarap doon. Ayan na.
Inex pa doon. Alex.
Ayaw ko na sa'yo. Lito, lito, lito. Amo na lagi na. Kana, sunod. Na, sige na.
It's dark right now.
Say hi, Doy. It's not done yet. My sister.
Give me my face wash, the Irish Spring soap, shampoo, and conditioner.
Unang mo ba po dito?
And then go away. Oh, stay.
Hindi sa luta sa kakuan, tapos na electric bike ka, ilong nga, patahay pa magkilap, kamulit kong ka, kakamang ito. Amak nga.
Mar, papakutsilyo sa likod. Madali ba?
Inalagi ron.
Kilo pa.
Ay, gakuan sa kwan, Rob. Isibog.
Dali lang, te. Darala ko pa ng
Gakuan sa tubig. Rot.
Ibinin na silas, birin. Birin silas.
Birin nyo matsinilas.
Birin silas, kaya buka ako eh.
Ayaw niyo kwan ang tubig di ha. Paingon sa kwan ha. Ayaw niyo higa ang tubig. Paingon sa bathroom. Dili pagkahiga ang tubig. Paingon sa swimming pool. Kahugaw. Hoy, pagtumpok! If that's criminal.
Just wait. I have to see if this one is like the light. Yeah. I have to see if it is fine.
Di daw ba maklaro, kaya puro na buwetong.
We can't do it by the pool. The